¿Qué dice? Okay, so we start with chain 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we go to the first one and join with a slip stitch. Then for row 1 we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first treble, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets into the ring. So 1, 2, 3. We chain then 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we do 3 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. And then we have to do a treble, because we started here with a chain 4, that was a treble, so here we need a treble. 2 yarn overs, and oh, sorry, got confused there. Alrighty, so basically that's the shape that you have, right? For row 2 we turn, and you keep doing basically the same. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 3 double crochets, right? 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Now we're working in the chain 3 space of the 4, and 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do the treble just like this was the equivalent of the treble. We do the treble on this side, right? 1, 2, and we do it at the top of the treble of the previous row. We're going to keep working this way until you have the length that you want. Okay, now pause it.